Assalamu alaikum. I am Naveed Hussain. I am from Gilgit-Baltistan. I am doing my FSc in pre-medical from Akhuwat College, Qasur. I am the part of this beautiful dome which is donated by friends of Akhuwat, Sweden.
My name is Asad Ali Mohammed from Dadusin. I am doing pre-engineering over here. I am also the part of this dome gifted by friends of Akhuwat, Sweden.
I am Shahid Diwan Bajwa from Duniapur, city of South Punjab. I am doing my ICS from Akhuwat College, Qasur.
I am Shehzad Bukti. I am a resident of Quetta, Balochistan. I am a student of FA second year. I am doing my FA from Akhuwat College, Qasur.
Thank you, friends of Akhuwat, Sweden.